Now let's go ahead and deploy the Active Directory. Click on Active Directory. Now click on Add New Configuration and click on your LDAP name, just a name. So I will say that WinDC, and I'm going to give the host name 16.1.10 and port number will be 389, always Active Directory. LDAP is different and this one is different. If it's an LDAP, I think it's 689. I'm not using any encryption in order to communicate between these two, but if you're using LDAP, definitely you will be using the encryption. So you have to select this one and provide that all the information. So now you see that base DN. So if I go back to my Kali Linux now, if you remember, I have already done the scanning for that one, and I should see the base DN over there. I think I just saw somewhere, but okay. Let me come from the top. Okay, it does. Okay, scanning was done. Let me see the base DN configuration, and I will just put it over there. So, domain is accessible.com. That's fine, but there is a way to define that the base should be. Okay, let me come back here, and if I see that, I will say that DC equal to sysable, comma DC is equal to com. Hopefully that is the same one. And the password will be, I enter the password. So I'm providing the name, I'm providing the IP address, I'm providing the port number. So this is the base DN. So base DN is just like an your domain name with the DC equal to sysable. My domain name is sysable.com. So I'm just differentiating the DC sysable, comma DC.com. So that's the same way I'm using. And the bind DC is also the same thing. Since I don't have much deep knowledge about it, so that's why I'm using the default values and click on save. Now, once you click on save now from here after, what's going to happen is that once if the integration is successful, now these PCs can be your domain joined PCs. There is a possibility that this can be a domain joined PCs. So whenever the user logs into this PC by username and password, so that username and password will be authenticated with respect to my Active Directory over here, and it will generate some events over here, and these events now will be sent to my StealthWatch management console saying that information will be now shared from my Active Directory. If the integration is successful, that's what you're able to. Now you see that error lookup configuration could not be complete. Please click OK to return to the configuration. So as I told you that I'm not pretty sure about my this one, so that's why I'm not able to communicate.
Yeah, that's the finding.
Yeah. So 389, I think, 389 is the
That's the port.
RDP port, I think.
Yeah, the 389 is correct.
Actually,
Create
yeah,
389.
it's
That's it right there, 389. Yep.
389 was correct.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what is the user LDAP? Yeah, that's correct. Which should not give me the error, but I don't know why. I think this might be the problem. So I will remove that space and try once more. Maybe the space might be giving an issue. Click on save now. So once you integrated that one, that means Active Directory will be sharing the information who has logged in and who has logged out at what time and everything. So I will have a look and I will let you know tomorrow. But that's how you are going to configure the configuration with the
Okay.
Active Directory.